Panasonic Soundbar, HTB900. Main features are Panasonic Soundbar, HTB900 is a high-end soundbar designed for immersive home theater experiences. Audio sound system, 3.1 channel, left, right, center, subwoofer, total output power 505 watt. Audio formats, Dolby Atmos, DTS-X, DTS Virtual X. Audio technologies, tuned by Technics, JENO engine, full digital amplifier subwoofer, wireless 250 watt. Connectivity, HDMI inputs 3. HDMI output, ARC ERC 1. Optical input 1. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, with Chromecast built-in. Other features are 4K pass-through, supports 4K video signals. Voice control, compatible with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Music streaming, supports various music streaming services via Chromecast built-in. Remote control included. Powerful bass, the wireless subwoofer delivers deep and impactful bass. High-quality audio, tuned by Technics, known for its high-fidelity audio expertise.